Messenger app keeps stopping or crashing or not working on your mobile. If you are facing any problem like that, then this video is for you. To solve this problem, first of all, we have to open our mobile settings. So here we go. Now scroll down and find out apps option. So here we are. So tap on apps. Now you can see there is a search icon on the upper right corner. Tap on this and now search Messenger. Now select your Messenger application. Now scroll down a little bit and now select storage, and here you will see two different options. One of is clear data and another is clear cache. So first I will go with clear cache. So tap on clear cache and now tap on clear data. Hit OK. So our problem has been solved. So let's prove it. So I'm gonna open my Messenger application. So here you go. Now you have to log in your account. So I'm gonna log in my account. So now you can see my Messenger application opened very smoothly. So in this process you can easily fix your problem. So I hope you understand the full video. If you have any problem, please comment. I will reply your comment as soon as possible. And if you have any benefit from this video, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Till then, take care.